Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. Let's get this right. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while teaching these two young bucks the trade. And in today's adventure, we're going to install a kitchen faucet. Would anybody like to add anything to this adventure, this introduction? I'm going to speak for them. We are so stoked to work today. We're speechless. Would anybody else like to add anything?
You got it.
We'll see you at the job. Leaking, growing, coming out. Delta going in. What's that?
I don't know. It's all hooked, but I don't know what it is.
Let me take a look, see? We can pull this out of here. This can be dumped. Alright. We gotta cut these supplies, right? Pull the spout up. Pull the spout out, I mean. We've got to cut that up there so I can pull it through. Give me a pair of snips. I have my glasses too, Chucky. You know what's gotta happen here, it's just all just gotta be cut out. Cut my glasses, they're right there somewhere, thank you. Yeah, ain't nothing easy, that's for sure. Alright, snip. Snip. And if you cut that, I'll be able to pull that down, then you can take this nut off and it'll just fall right down. Alright, that's off. Alright. This is all you know. I'm gonna put that brass nut.
It's all bronze.
Alright, do the brass nut all the way down. You probably over the heat and HVAC, so we'll get you a white thermostat. There's so many different ones. Oh, got it.
Can you just pull that up? It's down.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Put that in that tray. There you go. Good work. Give me this too.
There's more.
Yeah, there you go. So anyway, back to our original thing here. Here we go, CB. Coming down. Coming down. Now. One of them's marked. You know what? Don't even worry about that right now. Let's just get the... Hold that in place, Chuck. So I can let it go, okay? You got it? Before you tell you anything, I want to make sure it's all square, alright? Chuck?
Yeah.
below there. I'm working on it. Hard it.
Hand tight, and then you use a screw to, there you go, alright, cool. Our handy dandy delta wrench. Family channel. Oh, you're gonna blow your top? That'd be funny. What's my famous words? Let me know. Yeah. Just make sure you don't kink them, alright? There's no ass right here? No. Here, give him a 5/8 wrench. You want me to get a picture of that faucet in front of the wrench? I can call Webb, or call Webb. See, see, babe, get her done. See, this kit, the Delta faucet, you get 2 special wrenches. Make sure everything all out. Yeah. Ready?
I think so.
Let's do it. Big test.
It's blue. Where? What valve was the other one?
Look for the bottom. What's the bottom valve?
This one right here?
That's right. Push it off.
This.
Huh?
And this contraption over here.
Well, you know what? That's what.
Twisted over here.
Yeah. Well, they got actually 2 water filters on there. A water filter and a water filter. So we're going to change all that. All right. We ready? There we go.
Can I help you?
What is it? What's our motto?
Give it to him, dog. I'll bill you.
Anyway, CB2 just put in the faucet, so we're going to try to get another satisfied customer. We'll see what he comes up with right here. What do you think? All right, CB, good job. Good job installing that kitchen faucet. What do you got for us?
Try it. Let's go.
No. What do you got for us? You know. I ain't gotta go to a concert. Where you guys going tonight?
Banger.
Banger, no banger. And there goes another satisfied customer.